This is the 17th of January. No, the 18th of January, 2012. I got a chance to hit this creek. It's a new one for me. It's a big one. There's a lot of gravel. As Brooksy says, there's seas of gravel. I was up on this. There's a bluff right over here, and I was looking about these shelters. Ain't much on it, but these big banks that fell off, and found a bunch of chips right over in there, flakes, and so I started concentrating up through here. And I found the first one of the day. It's 1 o'clock. Pretty nice little point, looks like. Nothing fantastic, but hey, this is going to be a good start. Yeehaw. I believe that there would work. You betcha. Another something right here at my feet, but I think it's just a piece of flint, yeah. Boy, there's a lot of flint. I think I'm gonna crawl across this bank and get up in there. They're washing out probably this bank now. Okay, got an idea. Maybe I'll get back with you. Later. I believe I've definitely found the source. This is on that same little bar. This is agate basin quality. Fine serrations. There ain't no telling what that was. I mean, it's still a freaking killer. Unfreaking real. I will spend some time on this bar. Later. Same gravel bar. About 20 yards down. Picked up a biface and I just walked across this. I have a feeling it's broke. I think I can see the front of it, but I thought I'd just wait and pull her out and we'll see together. Oh gosh, dang it. Dang. Oh well. Later. OMG. It's got a little damage on it, but I'm telling you, it's shining like a diamond in a goat's butt. I'm about 15 feet from where I just picked up that broke. Would you look, laying right there? I'm telling you. I get this camera to zoom. Oh my stars. This thing's... Look at that. That thing is a sheet of paper. Goodness gracious. Oh, that is gorgeous. I think we'd be safe saying that is a Smith. That was a big one too. He's wide. That thing's 2 inches or better. Jeez, criminy. Alright. They're coming out of this bank. I gotta keep looking at this bar. Wish me luck. Later. Hey everybody. Timo. Had a little 2-hour walk down there on that creek. Found where camp was coming. Stuff was coming out of this bank. I know it's a campsite. I'm not sure what this is. It's just got little dots and crap all over it. I don't know if that's part of oolite or what that is. And this crystal, we do not find this here. I just don't know where that even come from. That is so cool. I know you guys in South Carolina, I mean, you got all your points made out of this stuff. We just don't see this. Broke a found. And all this is on that one gravel bar. Probably a 30-yard strip. See me pull this thing out. It's almost Ulithic. Good base, it's pretty. This piece is just, how about bet you $100? Come on, you stupid camera. Yeah, I can't get that dang thing to work right. How about bet you $100 that that there was an agate basin. The pressure flaking on this is phenomenal. It's almost as smooth it's been ground with a grinder. It just blows my mind when I look at that. Maybe I will get back down there and find some more of this stuff. Don't know. There is the first little point I found. I don't know if it's a little Gibson type, or I'm not sure what that is. Woodland perhaps. And then the big old honking. I thought this might be a Calf Creek, but I don't think it is. I'm pretty sure that's probably just a big old Smith. It's not broke. It's just been reworked along that edge there. There's a honker. That thing's 2 1/4 inches wide and 3 inches long. That's pretty colored in it. And it is thin. I mean, it's tater chip thin. I thought that was a cool piece. That's just laying right up there, boom, just on the gravel like that, sticking out there both ears. Just what more could you ask for? First time on the creek, this creek, finding stuff like this in one spot. I'll be back. This is just blowing me away. I cannot wait. Cannot wait to get back. Where's the sun at? Where'd the sun go? I know the sun's over there somewhere. Yeah, it's in there. Ain't that awesome? Alright, anyway. Hey, guess what? I'm going Friday. Hey. Yep, I'll be going to the drag strip. God willing. Good luck with everybody's hunts. Appreciate all the comments. This is Timo. Thanks for watching, and may all your finds be like this. Later.